Number 15, Medium Partner Program. Medium's partner program is one of the easiest ways to start earning online. You write articles and you get paid based on how much time paying Medium members spend reading your content. The barrier to entry is zero. You just need to write. The income ceiling is relatively low and most writers earn a modest side income rather than a full-time living. But here's why it matters. It trains you to write, build an audience, and understand what resonates with real people. Think of Medium less as a destination and more as a paid training ground. Number 14, stock photos and videos. If you've got a camera, even just a smartphone, you can start uploading to platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond5 today. Every time someone licenses your image or clip, you earn a cut, and one great photo can sell thousands of times over years. The market is competitive and individual payouts can be small, so the creators who win are the ones who upload consistently and focus on niches brands actually need. Business settings, lifestyle content, emerging trends, treat it like building a library, not chasing a viral moment. Number 13, print on demand. Print on demand is one of the cleanest passive income models out there because you never touch inventory. You design something, a t-shirt, a mug, a tote bag, upload it to Redbubble or Merch by Amazon, and when someone buys, the platform handles everything. You just collect your royalty. The designs that sell best speak directly to passionate, identity-driven communities, dog lovers, nurses, gamers, teachers. Pair strong design instincts with smart keyword research and the stream can quietly grow into meaningful monthly income over time. Number 12, dropshipping, automated. Dropshipping deserves a fair look despite its complicated reputation. The model is simple. A customer orders from your store, a third-party supplier ships the product directly to them, and you never hold inventory. The automated version uses tools and virtual assistants to handle customer service, fulfillment, and ad management, so the business runs largely without you. The keys to making it work are finding a winning product, locking in a reliable supplier, and mastering paid advertising. It takes real upfront effort, but entrepreneurs who crack the formula build stores that genuinely run on their own. Number 11, blogging. Blogging remains one of the most powerful passive income engines on the internet. You write articles optimized for search engines. Google sends you traffic, and you earn through display ads and affiliate links. A well-ranked post keeps generating revenue for years without you touching it again. The catch is patience. Most blogs don't hit their stride until 12 to 18 months in, but creators who stay consistent and genuinely help their readers build assets that pay them every single month, long after the writing is done. Number 10, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the art of recommending products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. It can live on a blog, a YouTube channel, a newsletter, social media, anywhere you have an audience. The leverage is what makes it so powerful. A single recommendation in niches like software, finance, or education can earn you anywhere from a few dollars to thousands, thanks to incredibly generous commission structures. The best affiliate marketers build genuine trust by recommending only what they actually believe in. That trust is what turns a casual viewer into a buyer and a buyer into recurring income. Number 9, selling Notion and Canva templates. This one flew under the radar for years, but it's exploded recently and for good reason. Millions of people use Notion and Canva daily and are actively searching for beautiful pre-built templates to save them hours of setup time, social media kits, project trackers, pitch decks, resume templates. You build it once and sell it forever on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Creators in this space pull in thousands of dollars per month from products made in a single afternoon. If you're organized and design-minded, this is one of the most approachable, high-reward streams available right now. Number 8, digital products such as ebooks. Ebooks and digital guides are passive income in the truest sense. You create the product once and every sale after. That is essentially free money. The key is specificity. A guide titled, How to Get Your First Freelance Client in 30 Days will outsell a vague Make Money Online ebook every time because it speaks directly to someone's exact situation. Platforms like Gumroad and Payhip make selling incredibly simple. Pair a great product with a smart content strategy, social media, SEO, or email marketing, and you've built a machine that quietly generates income around the clock. Number 7, newsletters. Email is the most valuable digital real estate you can own because no algorithm can take it away from you. Newsletters monetize through sponsored placements, affiliate deals, or paid subscription tiers on platforms like Beheve or Substack. What makes them so powerful is intimacy. Your readers chose you, invited you into their inbox, and that relationship converts at a level social media simply can't match. Focus on a tight niche, deliver consistent value, and treat every send like a conversation with a friend. Once you hit a few thousand engaged subscribers, the monetization opportunities stack up fast. Number 6, membership sites. Recurring revenue is the holy grail of passive income, and membership sites deliver exactly that. You build a community or resource library around a specific topic: fitness, photography, entrepreneurship, and members pay monthly to stay inside. Platforms like Circle, School, and Kajabi make setup straightforward. What separates thriving communities from ghost towns is genuine ongoing value. The best operators treat members like VIPs, consistently drop fresh resources, and foster peer connections that make canceling feel like leaving a family. Even a few hundred paying members can generate serious, reliable monthly income. Number 5, Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon, is where things start getting serious. You source a physical product, send inventory to Amazon's warehouses, and Amazon handles storage, shipping, and returns. Your job becomes finding winning products, managing your listing, and occasionally restocking. The income potential is massive, with many sellers generating 6 and even 7 figures annually. The trade-off is higher startup capital and more complexity than digital streams, but FBA rewards those who do their homework. Proper product research, smart sourcing, and strong branding can build a business that generates significant income with very little day-to-day involvement once it's running. Number 4, selling online courses. If you know something valuable, you can package that knowledge into a course and sell it indefinitely. Online courses can command anywhere from $47 to $2,000 or more depending on the transformation they deliver. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi give you everything you need to host and sell. The creators who build truly passive course income pair a great curriculum with an evergreen marketing funnel, YouTube content, SEO, or email sequences that bring in new students automatically. A well-built course is one of the most scalable products in existence because teaching 1,000 students costs you nothing more than teaching one. Number 3, building mobile apps. Mobile apps are one of the most exciting passive income opportunities available right now, and the barrier to entry has never been lower. You don't need to be a developer. No-code platforms like Glide, Adalo, and Buildfire let you build fully functional apps without writing a single line of code. The model works beautifully. You build the app once, publish it to the App Store or Google Play, and earn through in-app purchases, subscriptions, or ad revenue around the clock. The key is solving a simple, specific problem for a defined audience. A niche, utility app that genuinely helps people will always find its users. Build it right, market it smart, and your app becomes a passive income machine that works for you 24 hours a day. Number 2, YouTube automation channels. YouTube automation takes the YouTube model and removes your face entirely. The idea is to build a channel around a niche. Think interesting facts, true crime, finance explainers, or historical events. Using a team of freelancers to handle scripting, voiceovers, editing, and thumbnails. You operate as the business owner, not the creator. Channels in this space regularly generate substantial monthly income while the operator never appears on camera once. The startup cost is higher than a traditional channel since you're paying a team, but the systems-based approach means it can scale in ways that personal channels often can't. Done right, it's one of the closest things to a truly hands-off online business. Number 1, SaaS, Software as a Service. And here it is, the undisputed king of passive income online. SaaS stands for Software as a Service, and even a simple, niche tool that solves one specific problem for a specific group of people can generate extraordinary recurring revenue. We're not talking about building the next Spotify. We're talking about a Chrome extension that saves marketers 20 minutes a day, or a simple dashboard that helps freelancers track their income. Customers pay monthly. Churn is manageable when the tool genuinely helps and the income stacks predictably over time. With no-code tools like Bubble and Glide, you don't even need to be a developer to build something powerful. SaaS has the highest ceiling, the most leverage, and the most durable recurring income of anything on this list. There you have it. Every passive income stream online, ranked and explained. The honest truth is that none of these are get-rich-quick schemes. Every single one requires real effort upfront, but the ones that work, truly work, and the people who commit to building one of these streams consistently are the ones who eventually wake up to money in their account that they didn't have to trade their time for. Pick one, start today, and build. That's how it actually happens.